Hello everybody, this is Boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today we're talking about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face or editing video. You can edit a little video. Let's start. This is, see, bear with me. I have a lot of issues in my life. We're going to YouTube. The best niche to start in YouTube, the tech niche, because they have high CMM or CBM, yeah, CBM, yeah. Let's see, the tech review. You review product from Amazon. You can do affiliate marketing. Let's see the channel. You see a lot of channels going on. Let's choose the one like HD. Let's see the content. Have slow internet. They have over the 5.5 million subscribed. Let's see what's going on inside it. You see? Let's open one video and see what's going on. Forgive me about my subscribe. Let's see. Let's see. You see that it doesn't show his face in any video. If you need to know what he earned in the month or the year, you can copy the ID channel. You see the ID channel in the URL. You begin a dash comma, yeah, from here to here, and copy. Control C or double click, copy, and go to website. Name it Social Blade. Social Blade shows the earning that make a channel or Twitter or tweets or Instagram. Let's see. We choose here the YouTube, or can you choose another platform like Instagram, Twitter, etc. And you post the ID channel and enter. See how he earn. You see, he upload like 311 videos. You see he from Spanish guy. Oh my god, he earned like between 16 to 265 a month. He earned like 100,000 in 1 month, in single month, guys. He earned in the year like between 2.5 million. You see, let's see another channel, similar channel. See that he's showing his face. It's popular YouTube. He's doing tech review, like Tech Zone. Let's see the Tech Zone. He's doing Spanish, like another channel. Do a lot of stuff. Let's see. Let's open. How is he monetize his video? If you need to know how he got the videos, you can look his description. Let's see another description. Some people he didn't put the description from how they get the videos. Let's open it in another one. Like that. And you can see he got from like that icon. Can you see the affiliate marketing? He do affiliate marketing and YouTube monetization. Yeah, you see the from the video he got the link. If you open that, you see He got the video from here. You see? He's doing affiliate market for the people. He got the commission for this website. He's signing in for affiliate marketing guy, and he do a ton of money. He's doing like 500,000 in the month. For real, guys. This is true. But you need to be consistent. You need to post daily. The one thing you need if you start tech channel, you need to have optimized channel, and you can do that by putting the video. They are not copyright the video because they don't have own that videos. You need to mix that videos and do your own videos and sign to website like that to affiliate marketing, and you can go away. Okay guys, this video from today, I hope that you enjoy. Leave comment below and press the button like and press the button subscribe, and see you soon guys. Bye.